Bosses mlifia win, no? What? Bosses mlifia win. Win. Fia win. What? Yes.
Hello fam, welcome to Africa, to be specific, Zambia. And in today's video we are just going to check the process, how they manufacture bricks that we use to build our houses, our shops, most of the infrastructure that you see. I know in different countries they use different methods to make building material, but here it is quite an interesting process. That's why I'm here on this site to show you how the process is done. The material that they use, the first process until the last stage when people come to buy. Why? Because here it is mass produced and they sell to different people, or I can just say how they produce bricks on a commercial level here in Lusaka, Zambia. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the material that they use. Others, they use these smaller stones that they grind. As you can see, they use them to make bricks as well, and they just have different material or sizes that they use. Others, they use sand. Let's go to this one. It is also smaller rocks or stones that you are going to find. They are like, very fine, kind of like sand. I can say that this is semi sand that they use. And I just want to take you to another material that they use. This is really fine grinded or well grinded fine sand that they use as well. The sun is a little bit obstructing because of my shadow. Now, after showing you the material, let me take you to the first process. So this is the first process. You can even see these hardworking men loading the material that they are using. And mostly, the process, this one, they just use hands. This is the first process, and they are mixing it with different things here. This is also another mixture that they are using. They are also loading on this wheelbarrow, and it is quite mesmerizing. It is quite interesting, and I would like to hear from you if you are watching and you know the process. Look, these are big stones that they are using as well. Then afterwards they take them to one place where it is going to be taken to the machine, to the mixer, where they mix with everything. So let's go and see what is just happening in this process. Everything that is involved in making bricks here in Zambia.
Где помикс апа? О, вот здесь они смешают. Вот.
Basically, this is where they put those different materials that I showed you, and from here there is a conveyor under there which I'm going to show you. Right now I'm just waiting so that they fill up this thing and take you inside to see how the conveyor takes up everything.
Очень трудоголик. Вот, когда вы говорите, что нет, в Африке люди ленивые, вот такая работа. Еще здесь.
Inside this building, that's where you're going to find the mounted machine or equipment that processes everything or done everything after they pour different material there. That's where you're going to find the conveyor. That's where you're going to find the mixer. If you are watching from Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, and Africa, leave a comment. How are bricks produced or manufactured commercially in your country? Let's go inside and see. This is the conveyor where everything is done. So let's just wait for people outside there to fill up the thing that I showed you, then we see how everything is done. So this is the material. It is going up there where they're just going to mix everything. This is quite an interesting process, because the only process that I know is where people use their hands to make bricks, but this one, it is commercially produced. After everything is well and fine mixed, the concrete is taken up to this machine on the other side, where there is a controller as well, where bricks are being produced. That's where the final or the second final stage is. You can even see the person there who is also adding something. And another process is these bricks, they have to be put on a wooden. So these are the woods that they use. I think you are going to understand what I am talking about after this process. And these woods, they are quite heavy. Why? Because they are industrial. This is not domestic production. This is just commercial production on a large scale, where they even sell to different people. For them, this is just a business, and I can say that this is also a good business if you are contemplating on starting a business in Africa. Why? Because people now, they are building each and every day. So let me just show you as is demonstrating how they carry these heavy woods. This is where they are put. Just look at the process and how everything is done. This is where you are going to find the final results. The bricks are being produced after starting from where men are just using wheelbarrows to pull different material in there, taken by the conveyor up there, the mixer, and the final machine. I'm going to show you how the controller or the operator there is operating everything. And here the person who is working is asking me, what are you doing? Why are you filming? Then I just told him that no, I'm showing the process, how everything is just done here. Just look at how fine these good quality bricks are produced. A lot of people, they come here to buy, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you the cost of each brick so that you understand how expensive or how cheap it is here in Zambia to build or to construct a house or whatever you might want to construct. And they are taking them there, but I'll take you there later. But what I want to show you is how just everything is done here. Look how they are produced. It is quite an interesting process. I would also want to hear from you, how do you produce such kind of, do you make bricks or do you just make something that is produced, especially in China? I think in China they don't make bricks, they use something of even for like concrete, huge ones. Indeed, this kind of job is mainly for men because it requires someone's physique, and let me show you, or let's go, we see how they put them. And as you all know that here in Africa there is a lot of sand, so they just leave these bricks to dry here. Just look, they are produced in large quantities, and this is the the board where they put them, and it is so good initiative to make sure that they don't break. And someone is delivering as well, and there are different techniques that they use to make sure that these bricks are well produced, and they are making sure that they are separated in a good way so that they don't break. So let's just walk through this line. We see how these bricks are looking. Otherwise, for me, this is quite an informative video. I've understood how this process is. So whenever you are buying bricks, just know that this is what is done and this is what is involved to make sure that there is final and quality bricks. Why? Because they value quality. Otherwise, I would like to ask each and every one of you to just leave a comment. Did you know that this is what is involved in production of bricks? For me, I only know the domestic one that we use with our hands, but this one, it is commercially produced. And let me also take you to the other side where they are just already dry bricks there at the farm end, and this is just an area where they just make bricks here. Otherwise, I am learning a lot here, and I just decided to share with you so that you can have an understanding how people survive here in Africa. Why? Because when you talk about Africa, other people, especially Europeans, especially Americans, especially people in the North America somewhere, they've got a different perspective, a different view about Africa. This is the final produce, and they are very of good quality, such that you can just buy and you start building whatever you want to build. And you can even see that they use different material. They have got different texture at the same time. I think the only thing remaining for me is to go to the supervisor and find out the cost of each brick here, how much someone can spend whenever they want to build. If you are watching from Zambia and you buy such kind of bricks, you can also leave a comment. How much did you spend when you were building your 2-bedroom apartment or maybe your studio apartment? And those are the people who've just come to buy. Why? Because people, they are building. That's why I said in the somewhere that this is also a good business. Look, everything well taken care of, and the sun is just shining on top of them. Yeah, even me, I think when I start building, I also need to come and visit this place. I buy some bricks. They say that dreams do come true, and let me go and ask from the supervisor how much is each brick. So you can even see the supervisor who is behind me. He just told me that each brick is 7 kwacha or 10 kwacha. Let me just write in dollars so that you understand. Wow, how much is it? Cheap or is it expensive? Kindly drop a comment, let me know what do you think. Otherwise, for me, it has been interesting to walk around to see how everything is just done in this place. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment how you produce bricks in your country, especially at the commercial level. Otherwise, it was Matthew Siata from Zambia here in Lusaka. I really appreciate that you always come back to watch my videos. See you in the next video, and wishing you good health and success in all your daily endeavors. Otherwise, peace to the rest of the world, and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao, bye bye, do svidania, peace.